Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to make ground beef. This sort of beef is perfect to use for some of my older tutorials and also an upcoming lasagna tutorial.
What? More videos?
Of course I'm making another video.
Could this be the return of King Coon?
I mean, I don't know. It really depends on when...
Ik zal je vinden en wanneer ik je vind zal ik je 20 keer met een mes steken.
Okay, chill.
Ik haat je en ik hoop
Chill
dat je
out.
doodgaat. Ga nu weg, ik haat je, ik haat je.
Shit. Anyways, what the... You will need spices. I decided to use oregano, complete seasoning, 14 spices, and kill flakes. You will also need vegetables. It doesn't matter if they're frozen or not. You will also need red tomato sauce and obviously some beef. So you want to start by heating up the water in a pot. Get ready to put your vegetables in them because we're steaming them. Obviously, you need a strainer or something of the sort to put them in without them getting wet. Now it's time to get your beef ready. You want to start off by putting all spices into one big bowl and you want to stir them around for a little. Once you're done with that, you want to put your beef in the bowl and mix it around. I made sure to mix it up a little more after this frame.
Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
Oh my god! Guess what time it is? Time to go back to the stove. You want to put your beef on a pan and make sure you
stab it hundreds of times and stir it around in a pool of blood.
No oil required. Well, it looks like the vegetables are done. It's time you slice them and make them a little smaller than they were originally. Look at how fast and easy I can do this step. And looks like it's time to stab the beef a little more. You're almost done. Now you want to make sure to get the beef out of the pan and throw in some soy sauce. After that, you're going to want to put your vegetables in and mix them in the sauce. When you feel like it's ready, throw in some tomato sauce and put your beef back in the pan. Mix it all around like there's no tomorrow and use more tomato sauce if you feel like you need it. And you're done. You might be asking yourself, well, what do I do with it now? You can use it for something else you're cooking right away, or you could package it away and put it in the freezer, like I'm doing here. I really want to thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.